If you look straight out, you can actually see Starfall Racers and the recently announced Epic Universe Park. Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to the Universal Orlando Resort, where we're basically going to be doing some epic updates. No, this is not going to be an Epic Universe centric video, but we're basically going to pop on inside, check out the all new Mardi Gras 2024 tribute store, see what else we can see, mainly though the tribute store, and then we're going to head on out of here. A very short and quick day at the park, but let's head right on into Universal Studios Florida, start the day and see what we can see. You know, it is crazy to me that pretty much the biggest news in theme park history just happened, where only a couple of days ago from when I'm recording this, Universal announced their upcoming new theme park, Epic Universe. But we're not here to talk about Epic Universe, we are here to talk about the future of the current parks. I can see that they already have some of the Mardi Gras decorations up, scattered throughout the resort. So that's what we're here to see. So we've made it. The tribute store is back in the Hollywood section of the park again. And something to note that this morning it was only open to team members, and now for the remainder of the day it is only open to pass holders. But by the time this video goes out, it should be good for anyone to enter. But let's head on inside and I'll show you around the tribute store. Well, that's going to conclude our tour of this year's 2024 Mardi Gras Tribute Store. Very cool inside. I will have to say though, I'm still not a fan of this location of the Tribute Store. I prefer a lot more when it's over in the New York section of the park. But this was still very cool to see. A lot of really cool effects inside. The rooms are definitely well themed. There's a really cool effect where it's like a projection mapping of a gator on the ground. I like to see more of that. I like to see more effects like that, Universal, moving forward. But yeah, I do have to talk about the different rooms in general, because there are a ton of Easter eggs and references. I went through the store twice. I went through it the first time to film for the vlog, and then the second time to take all the pictures I need. I will have to do it a third or fourth time just to get my full grasp on everything, and really enjoy it and look for the different Easter eggs and references. So I didn't find any Earl references the first time going through, but I did see one really fun Gerg the Llama reference right as you're walking in. That's always fun to see. But yeah, about the rooms, I feel like they could have done a little bit more with it. I don't know. There's this one room in particular, I guess, which is kind of themed after, it almost looks like the Haunted Mansion from Disney. But I feel like there's this whole area in like the middle that is just open space and open ground. I feel like they could have filled up the space with some more merchandise and theming. But the store overall, spectacular. What Universal does with these stores every year, every season, is honestly spectacular, especially the turnaround time. They only got like 2 to 3 weeks to convert it from the last store to the current one, because we just got done with the holiday season here at the resort, and now we are jumping right into Mardi Gras. So definitely come out and check out the 2024 Mardi Gras tribute store here at Universal Studios Florida. Right now it is only open to pass holders and team members today, and then Saturday it will hopefully be open to everyone, as Mardi Gras will officially begin that day here at Universal Orlando. I do want to quickly mention that it looks like they have actually filled up the lagoon out here in the center of Universal Studios. They've been doing some extensive work on a new nighttime show, hopefully to debut by the summer. But it does look like they have filled up the lagoon, which is always a good scene. And now right behind me, it is the DreamWorks Land construction update, which I definitely want to just talk about for a quick minute. They are hard at work on the upcoming new DreamWorks Kids Zone, but this new land will feature Shrek Swamp right behind me, which they are putting the finishing work on, where you can go ahead and meet Shrek, Donkey, and hopefully Princess Fiona. There will be the new Troller Coaster, which is the rumored name for the roller coaster which used to be Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. Now it's going to be Trolls. No new major attractions, unfortunately, but this is definitely a holdover until Epic Universe opens in 2025, just over a year away. Doc Brown is just walking around over here. Not a care in the world. Alright guys, so that's going to do it from our quick update video here at the lovely Universal Studios Florida. Of course, stick tuned for more Mardi Gras updates and of course Epic Universe construction updates as we head into the rest of the year, and then 2025. Got a lot of big stuff planned. I'm going to wrap this one up now, and I will see you in the next one.